In this magical series, I will be showing you some of my homemade holiday favourites, starting with the roast potato. For this seasonal sensation, you will need a great roast potato such as the humble Maris Piper. A very British ingredient like this grass-fed beef dripping here is absolutely outstanding for that golden crunch. There is something about extra virgin olive oil and beef dripping which makes the perfect roast potato. First stage is to start by peeling your spuds. Secondly, cut your potatoes into 4s or quarters. If there is larger potatoes in the pack, I would cut them into 6 pieces. Next, rinse your potatoes under the cold tap until the water runs clear. This will remove most of the starch for a crunchier potato. Add a generous pinch of salt to your potatoes to season the water. Turn on the hob and bring to a gentle boil until soft and almost falling apart. Next, allow the potatoes to steam dry. This will form rough edges which will allow the oil to be absorbed for that crunchier potato. I like to help them along with a good shake just to ruffle up those edges even more. Next, add your cooking oils. In this case, I'm using a 50-50 split of beef dripping and extra virgin olive oil. Use as much as you want or as little as you want, but this is Christmas, so you want to use a lot of fat to get that extra golden colour on those potatoes. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and let your oil sit in the oven until it becomes very hot, for when you put your potatoes in the oil you want it to sizzle. Make sure you turn the potatoes every 15 minutes to get a golden brown even exterior. After 1 hour and several turns of the potatoes, this is what they should look like. Check out that exterior, that golden brown colour. That only comes with beef dripping and extra virgin olive oil. Finally, I like to put them in some kitchen roll just to drain off the excess oil and prepare for serving. And then finally, like Salt Bae, chuck a load of salt over the top so you get a beautiful crunchy salty exterior with a soft fluffy inside. And there are your roast potatoes. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you'd like to subscribe and share this video, it will be very helpful for me. If you want to see more healthy supermarket hauls and healthy recipes, please subscribe yet again, and Merry Christmas to you all. Thank you very much.